good morning, or as in America, the hip hinge. Good morning is a back strengthening exercise connecting the pelvis to the hamstrings. So it's hamstrings, hip, lower back. Basically, it's this position here and then coming up. I'm not quite sure about the difference, but the Americans quite talk about hip hinging a lot, which is this exercise here and here, here and here. Don't think about bending forward. Think about just pushing your bum back. You can see sideways. Look at my back position. You can see that flat back. What we mean flat back is this is back, not a turtle. So a key way, or a useful tip for starting this, is to think about pushing your bum back here. So stand my feet, push back, and push back, and touch there, and come back. Notice my feet stay flat on the floor, I might be a bit too far back out of the way. So I push, and then come back. Push, then come back. Right, my legs are quite straight, and come back. You can then add a jump to that. There. So my hip is hinging, then I'm jumping. So you might do 5 of these, rest, and 5 of those. Once they've got this, that's where sticking the bum helps out a bit earlier. You can start loading. And a good way of doing it is with dumbbells down in front of your thighs, here and back up. Here and back up. On the side, here and back up. Back up. Then of course you can have a jump. And you're getting this straight line extension of ankle, knee, hip. There and there. That's with dumbbells. You can also do it. You can also do it with medicine ball. Place it down hanging here and back up. Here and back up. Here, back up. Okay? Most females, junior athletes, that's a 4 kilo medicine ball. It's quite a lot of loading. You just get used to that actually. Then you start using barbell. This is just a 20 kilo barbell here. So and back up. Or jump. And you're adding a jump squat into it for leg power. So turn sideways, exactly the same. There. Another variation, once you get advanced, is wide arms, wide legs, push back, and then back up. That's called the west side barbell in the morning. Basically, you have to have strong hamstrings to do that, so don't start off with that. That's quite good. Finish. Okay. I'm going to demonstrate behind the head press. Standing position. Press above and down. Press above and down. So you can see my shoulders just a bit wider, or hands a bit wider, shoulder width. Above there and down. Above there and down. The bar finishes above my head. There. Okay, that's the basic. Better still, I'll explain why in a second, is wide grip behind the shoulder press. There. As you can see, the hands are twice shoulder width apart, press up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Legs are straight in that action. I don't use my knees. The reason being, this position here means that my shoulders are in the line that they're naturally meant to be set at. Too many teenage boys do bench press or do too much of it, so the shoulders are internally rotated like this. We stand like this, which means there's less mobility here, which means when they need it in their sport, whatever their sport might be, throwing, striking, or stabbing the event, something goes. If I've got less range of movement, or they try and get to that range of movement and injure themselves. No point doing lots and lots of this, and then something like this to counteract it. Better still to do a movement that incorporates it, like this. So So if in doubt, if you are doing bench press for hypertrophy knees, no problem. Do one set of bench press, and one set of behind head press, one set of pull-ups. That will enable you to have better shoulder health.